Hey guys, I'm Tatiana from Quirky Tatiana, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do Halloween themed treats. One of them is savory, the other two are sweet. So yeah, so if you're going to be having a party, these are great ideas for them. So yeah, let's get on to the video.
First treat is these awesome meringue ghosts, which are quick and easy to make. The things that you'll need will be some egg whites, granulated sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. So to start off, you're going to add your egg whites into a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer if you have one, and then also add your salt. Then you're going to want to mix this on a high speed until the eggs get frothy. So you'll know when they get frothy. You'll see right now. So this is them frothy. Now once they're frothy, I added a tablespoon of sugar in 10-second intervals, so I did not add it all at once, and yeah. And then once the egg whites turn glossy like this, you're going to want to add in your vanilla extract and continue mixing it until it is fully combined. Once your meringue mixture is completed, you're going to want to add all of it into a large piping bag. And then once you finish filling in that piping bag, you're going to want to cut off at the bottom about 1 inch in diameter so you can pipe easier. So now here I am piping my ghost meringues, and yeah. When you finish piping your meringues, put your baking sheet into the oven, and then you're going to want to bake these for 60 minutes, which would be an hour. And now here for decoration, I have melted some chocolate and I put it into a Ziploc bag for easier control. Now to pipe on the face, you're going to pipe on one oval, and then do the second oval because these are going to be the ghost's eyes. And then you're going to want to do a large circle for the mouth. And I also repeated this for the remainder of the meringues that I had. And here is my finished product of my ghost meringues. Up next are these Rice Krispie chocolate spiders, or creepy crawlers. So the things you will need will be some butter, marshmallows, and of course Rice Krispies. For decoration, you will need some M&Ms and chocolate. To start off, add your butter into a saucepan and mix it up until it's completely melted, like so. Once it has melted, add your marshmallows and then also mix it up until it is completely melted, like so. Once your marshmallow has completely melted, you're then going to add it into the Rice Krispies. And this could be a hard task because the marshmallow is really sticky. But then once you've managed that, you're going to want to mix in the marshmallow, making sure everything binds with everything. And that mixture is really sticky. So what I did is I sprayed some cooking spray onto my hands just to avoid everything getting stuck onto my hands. That way I can manage the mixture that's there. So to start off, I got a big chunk of the mixture and I'm going to form a big ball. This will be the spider's body. Up next, I get a smaller chunk of the mixture, and then I also form this part into a ball. Now this one's going to be a smaller ball because it's going to be the head of the spider. And then I continued doing this, and this mixture got me about 4 spiders. And I say about because I also had some left over, which I just turned into a regular Rice Krispie treat. So once that's done, I'm going to use melted chocolate to create the legs of the spiders. Now this mixture gave me 4 spiders, so I'm going to need 32 legs. But keep in mind, the legs might snap at some point when you're trying to add them onto the body of the spider, so always make more than what you need. So I made way more than 32 legs. I think I made like 50 legs, but that helped me a lot because I was struggling to put on the legs. So now I'm going to glue the head onto the body, and to do that I need melted chocolate. So I add melted chocolate onto the head, and then I just bind it with the body. And I make sure I did this for the rest of the remaining spiders. Up next, you see this M&M. I'm going to be using it for the eye of the spider. Now to glue it on, I simply add melted chocolate, and then I add it to the head of the spider like so. And then I'm just going to continue this for the rest of the spiders until all of their eyes are glued on. Now it's time for the legs, and let me tell you, I was having trouble with them. They kept falling and tipping over and stuff, so yeah, but at least they didn't snap, which was good. So I added all 8 legs, and here are the finished products. For the last one I just gave up and I just drew the legs on at the bottom. And last but not least, here are our savory mummies. What you will need for this will be some pretzel dough and hot dogs. For decoration, you'll need some mustard. So to start off, we have the hot dog, and then we take a strip of the pretzel dough and then simply just wrap it around the hot dog until it covers the whole thing. You're then going to want to add an egg wash. This is so the pretzel can brown up inside the oven. And then next up, place it into the oven, and then you're gonna bake these for about 10 minutes. And then for decoration, you're just gonna put 2 dots using your mustard. And I did this to the rest of the hot dogs. And here is the finished product, these awesome mummy dogs.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment down below, letting me know what other videos you would like to see next on this channel. If you guys like to see more DIY treats, then make sure to click up here. If you guys like to see more Halloween themed videos, then make sure to click down here. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to click the button that's right there. Just go click and you'll be subscribed. Alright, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all next week. Bye!